iAuto self-test tutorial. Open the top cover. Turn off the power. Move the pen holder to the left. Press the pen holder. Rotate the black paper feeding shaft half a circle. Four self-test processes will occur after starting the power supply. 1. Pen holder up. 2. Move the pen holder to the right. 3. The paper rubbing shaft automatically rotates to the correct position. 4. The yellow roller rotates in this direction.